Namaste, my dear friends. Again, I am today here for my fourth live. As I come every day 4 times live, and this fourth live is a time for health awareness through English medium. So, for starting it, I want to start it through uh, prayer, and then I would like to move forward to express my views about health awareness for today. Thy name is my healing, O my God, and remembrance of thee is my remedy. Nearness to thee is my hope, and love for thee is my companion. Thy mercy to me is my healing. Thy mercy to me is my healing and my succor in both this world and the world to come. Thou really art the all bountiful, the all knowing, the all wise. Thou really art the all bountiful, the all knowing, the all wise. O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. Thou art Satchidananda, existence, consciousness, bliss absolute. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion, wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from free us from egoism, lust, greed, hatred, anger, and jealousy. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold thee in all the names and forms. Let us serve thee in all the names and forms. Let us ever remember thee. Let us ever sing thy glories. Let thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Let us abide in thee forever and ever. Thank you. Now, I want to express my views according to my attitude about vegetation, plants, trees, etc., and as well as for the sun. But they play the very significant role in our lives. Uh, I can say that for us, the trees and plants or vegetations, all these and as well as the sun are like our God, because without them we are nothing. We can't live without them. For us, as we are all human beings, the trees are like God, as well as the sun is also God for all of us, because we can't imagine for our existence without them. You know, hopefully that the trees take their meals or their food through the sun by the activities of it is called in English. I think its name is photosynthesis, like this. Photosynthesis or light. I don't remember the exact name, but that is in Hindi. It is called Prakash translation. In Hindi, the real word in the biology that Prakash translation, and in English, I think its word is photosynthesis or like this, but I don't remember well. But they, by these activities, they take their refreshment, their food or meals, everything without from the sun, by the sunshine. So, if they don't take if there is no sunshine in their life, so they can't live. So, the sun is like a god or is a god for them, and because we take our breathing for inhaling and exhaling, we need to have take wind, atmosphere, surroundings, and all that surroundings make ready uh, these trees are the these trees play the main leading role in our lives, because if they are not here, we can't live without them. We will we will die. We will be lifeless without trees. So all the trees is like our God, our like our uh, main region of our life here or our existence. So these trees are also like God for us, because they give us life. In the simultaneously, the sun is also for us like God, or the sun is a God for us, because the trees take life from the sun, from the sunshine through the sun, and they make possible their existence through the sunshine. Uh, so because they are live due to the sun, and uh, we have life due to the these all these trees. So they play the most important role in our life or in our existence. Without the existence of the trees, we don't have any kind of existence. We will no more here without the trees, and without sun we will not no more. We will not be life. We will not be live without but for the sun, because the sun give life to the tree, and the trees give life to us. We take breathing from the trees. So that's very important, which generally we don't know about it, but we must know the this very important role of plants in our life, that uh, we are live only due to or on account of the trees as well as the sun. So they both are like God for us. So we must give them sufficient respect and honor, and we must realize their significant in the in the existence uh, of our human societies here or all over the world. So we must think it deeply, that what a vital role they play in our life. Uh, Simultaneously, it is very important that God has given these trees also, not only for giving us the breathing, uh, for inhaling as well as exhaling, because they also make it the taker of our exhaling. So that's also very important, that we are the complementary to each other. Trees and we are the complementary to each other. That's important. We must remember. We must understand it well, and it is not possible to live for us if there is no sun or if there is no trees. Secondly, the nature has given these trees also, not only for giving us the inhaling to or the breathing for inhaling, but also for giving us the food. They also give us food. Whatever we take, whether grains or pulses or everything, comes from uh, these trees and plants, spices, etc., vegetables, fruits, everything we get from these trees. So we must remember, and it must be understood well, that these plants and trees are the are good for us, and are the main element or main factor which give us not only breathing but also the food. And the food, that is the real food for us to live long and to live healthy, if we only get from the that food which we take from these trees and plants, in the form of spices, leaves, fruits, flowers and leaves, etc. But for these, if we want to take our meals or food from animal protein, like meat, eggs, and uh, dairy products, including milk. They are not good for our good health, so we must avoid them. We must avoid them because they are not good for our health. They play a good role in our life, like allopathic medicines, because allopathic medicine can make us health, can make our cure us in some disease, but they can harmful thereafter, after a short or long span of time. They create some other problem for us. In the same way, these dairy products or the meats, etc., are create some other problems if we take their take them in the form of the food. So animal, we should avoid these animal foods, and we must we must we should not take drinking wine and smoking. These are also harmful for our good health, and we also should not take packet foods because they are with chemicals, so they are also harmful for our good health. So these things we must remember if we want to live long, if we want to live healthy, if we want to live strong, then we should take our food only from those things which we get only from trees and plants, in the form of spices, leaves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables, etc. So that's very important. We must remember this thing. Very important thing this is. And we must not take animal proteins or all those things which we get from animals, whether dairy products or dairy products or milk, etc. And we must not take any eggs or beef, mutton, etc. These are also very injurious for our good health. So we must avoid all those things. So thank you very much for watching me. I briefly I have told some very important things for today. I hope that you enjoyed it to listen in listening me, and I hope that if any of you have come late, you can see my this live again, because I will make it share after finishing it immediately. So as soon as I finish it, I will make it share. So if you think that something is important in this this fourth live, you can watch it again, and you can send me some good questions if you have, and you can send me some good suggestions and guidance, whatever, because my this campaign to teach English 2 times through Hindi medium and English medium, and thereafter for making my awareness for good health. So this is this should be this campaign should be more effective for so many of all of us, and it should be meaningful and successful, so that I can do this my campaign nicely. So please send me your good suggestions and guidance, whatever you can send, whatever you have there in your point of view and in your mind. So it will be welcomed by me. So thank you very much for watching, for listening so lovingly, and I hope that you feel good whatever I try to say during these days, and hopefully soon I will get some very important things, because I try to get experience and some good knowledge through different specialists in this subject also. So thank you very much. Namaste. Jai Hind.